back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This video is in collaboration with a company called Dollskill. Dollskill is a website that has apparel and accessories. They kind of give you fashion with an edgy twist. Looking through this site, I was so impressed with the selection that they have. They have something for everyone. They also have a plus size section, which I really love. You guys know that I have like an interesting body shape where my bottom is plus size and my top is just regular basic sizes. So I really appreciate a website that can fit both in and accommodate both parties, because I'm a walking contradiction. I'm definitely both, so I really appreciate them for that. You guys, I'm so excited to bring you guys this haul. This is kind of like a Dollskill play on Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoy. I haven't tried anything on yet, so we're gonna be having our first impressions together. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and all that good stuff, guys. Make sure you check out Dollskill. I'll have everything in the description box below. I'll try to put some things on the screen for you, anything that's needed. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you guys today from Dollskill is actually the item that I have all the clothing in, and that is this little duffel. So this duffel is about a size, I think like 45 in Louis Vuitton lingo. This duffel is so super cute. It is pink, like a baby pink. I absolutely love it. It's actually furry. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but hopefully you can. It has a metallic material on the sides and as an accent piece in the front. It comes with a long strap, shoulder strap, as well as handles. Now this is the cutest duffel I've ever seen. I'm tempted to use it over my Louis Vuitton duffel. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this is definitely a travel statement piece. It's so up my alley. You guys know I'm so girly, so having a piece like this really just gets me so excited. My niece saw this and she's like, oh my god, unicorn. And I'm like, it is kind of a unicorn bag, huh? A little bit. It fits a lot of stuff, and it's actually really lightweight, so it's not gonna weigh down your shoulder. I didn't have a problem with it. The strap is adjustable, so you can make it shorter or you can make it longer. The handles are long enough where you can hold it like this, or you can even like throw it over your arm. I love that. Like, the fact that it's so versatile. I would be careful because this is a light pink, so it could get dirty. I'm gonna keep it in like the dust bag that it comes with, because it does come with a dust bag, which I really appreciate. So yeah, I think I actually have the dust bag in here. Yeah, I have the clothing in the dust bag that it comes with. So it does come with a dust bag that you can store it in and keep it in your closet for when you're ready to use it. And you guys know I travel a lot, so I'll definitely be putting this to use. Even if like you're doing an overnight stay somewhere and you just need a bag, this is a go-to. Also, if you're a dancer, like a exotic dancer or even a professional dancer, in like as in like a ballet dancer or something like that, you can definitely use this as a dance bag too. I think it would be really cute. So yeah, guys, let's get into the clothing pieces. All right, guys, so the first item that I have for you today is this two-piece set. Now this is like the most Valentine's Day set I've ever seen in my life. This is so cute. It gives me like sex kitten vibes. Like, look at this. The top is completely sheer, but the bottom does have a slip. I'll show you guys. So it's not completely sheer on the bottom. You definitely could wear this out with like a bra. I'll turn around so you guys can see the back. This is the back. The skirt, I think the top too is in a 2X, but I'll have all the sizing and everything down below in the description box. But this is what it looks like. This is like, I feel like a sex kitten, like I really do. What do you guys think? I love the fur detailing, guys. The skirt has the fur on the trim as well. I would definitely wear this like out. Like, I would definitely wear this. Yeah, it's super sexy. Like, I feel sexy in it. Tell me what you guys think. I usually don't look good in red, but this doesn't look bad on me. Like, I think it looks good. I think I look good. What do you guys think? Next piece. All right, guys, so the next piece I got, I purposely kept just my panties on because I feel like this is that kind of vibe. This is like baby girl type of vibe. This is a t-shirt. It's a crew neck t-shirt and it says honey on the front and like that kind of, what is it, spray paint fabric? I mean, spray paint like writing. I absolutely love it. It's an extra large and it fits perfectly. It's not too tight. It's nice and comfortable. I'll show you guys the back. It's just regular, just a regular back. Super cute. Honey, like my skin. You guys, I really like t-shirts and I feel like this is like one of those throw on some jeans, throw on a t-shirt, but it's not a plain t-shirt, so you can wear like pink lip gloss and some hoop earrings and go. Or you could walk around the house with some panties on and just this t-shirt. Super, super cute. I absolutely love it. This is probably one of my favorites. I'll give you guys another look. What do you guys think? All right, guys, so this next piece is my absolute favorite. This one is this t-shirt. This is what it looks like in the back. It has like a corset bottom with a little like clicker in the middle at the neck. It's a little sheer, I'm not gonna lie, but I kind of like it. If you have a problem with it, skip ahead, but I absolutely love this. This is definitely date night vibes. This is so sexy, guys. I love the corset bottom. Gives you like a little bit of a twist on a casual tee, and you guys know I love basics. Like, I'm such a basics girl, so having a little twist to wear with some like leather pants, come on date night? Like, I'm not with the cliche red on date night on Valentine's Day, so this will definitely be an option. My absolute favorite thing. Thank you, Dolls Kill. I love that it's all black so that you can pick your accessories. Like, you don't have to wear silver or gold. You can wear whatever. I love that. Yeah, and I got an extra large, guys. Super comfortable. There's no like stretching on the arms. It's not tight. You guys know I do have big arms, so I'm impressed with that. Very comfortable in the waist. I'll have my measurements down below. Yeah, pick this one up, guys. And it does unclip. It's not like a fake clip. It does unclip, just so you guys know. All right, next, guys, so this is the next piece. It's so funny because remember I was just saying, like, you know how like they do the panties and the t-shirt thing? Y'all was probably looking at me crazy, but look, I got a set. I didn't even remember that I got this set. So this shirt says bad girl on it. The girl is just GRL, but that's what it stands for. And it comes with these panties with a broken heart on the front. Super, super, super sexy, guys. It also says bad girl on the butt. It comes with 4 straps, and I think you're supposed to tie the straps together in the front and back, but I left the back hanging and I tied the front into like a halter. That's the word I'm looking for, right? Halter? Yeah. I tied it into a halter just because I like halters better than tank tops, so that's what I did. But this is so sexy. This is so like Valentine's Day, cook for your man. Dolls Kill did it with this one. Dolls Kill is really interesting because everything they have is like edgy and sexy and kind of punk rock, but like sex. I absolutely love that about them. I love the writing. I love the fit of this top and the bottoms. I popped them. That was my bad. But they do have this cute little heart on the front that's broken. So maybe wear it for your ex. I don't know, guys. But yeah, I really like this one. Really like this one. All right, guys, next. All right, guys. So this next item, Dolls Kill is trying to kill you guys for Valentine's Day. They're trying to kill the men out there. Like, the men are gonna go crazy for this one. Ladies, pick this up. So it's a fur 2-piece kind of like bikini set. It's pink fur and it's like bright pink. I don't even know if you guys are picking up the color of pink. I'm gonna try to dim the light a little bit so you guys can really see the color. But this is like a bright hot pink. And It has butterflies on it. The bottoms also are fur with butterflies on it. The back is like a thong. Also has fur. You guys, Dolls Kill, I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. Like, I don't know where. I don't know when or why, but I'm wearing it. Like, this is super it's just so me. Like, anybody who knows me, they'll be like, of course you got that. Like, this is gonna get me demonetized, but definitely sexy. Like, what? This is giving me like, I don't know. I don't even know. Like, I don't even know. Pick this up, ladies. I want another color. Like, this is definitely something that you're going to wear for your man. I don't know, on vacation to like, I don't even know, but I just love it. You guys know I love bikinis. I love to be naked, so this is right up my alley. Pick this up. Dolls Kill, you did it with this one. This is actually my favorite one. And I know you guys are probably like, oh, that's a lot, but this little butterfly detailing is so cute. The fact that it's such bright pink is so cute. The fit is cute. I feel so sexy in it. Like, you know, I feel really sexy in it. So, yeah. Pick this one up, guys. It's definitely a banger. That's all I'm gonna say. Next, I was so excited about this two-piece set. And unfortunately, the pants don't fit. The sweatshirt, it could probably fit, but like I would have to struggle to get it on. But this is what it looks like. It says bad girl. What does it say? Bad bitch. It says bad bitch on the front. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut it into a crop top and I'll be able to get this baby on. It's actually an extra large, and I obviously didn't read the size chart because it absolutely doesn't fit. It's definitely the fabric, like it doesn't give, but it's very, very good material, very warm, very thick. It's like a heather gray, and it has the pink, like spray paint graffiti writing on it. Yeah, like I said, it says bad bitch. These are the pants. Let me just take them off to show you guys. So these are the pants. It says bad bitch down the leg. And I got this one in a size 2X, but it doesn't fit either. I'm really sad about it, but they seem very long. They go all the way to my feet when I hold them up, and it actually is at my belly button. So they seem very, very long. They're also in this heather gray. And what I like is that the drawstrings have these little silver pins at the end, so I love that, because then if you pull it too tight, pull it too far apart and the strings get lost, you can find them. So I might reorder this in a bigger size and see if I can get it to fit, because I really like this two-piece set. It's really warm and thick, and I love sweatsuits, so pick this up. Dolls Kill has a lot of these like graffiti writing on it, so if you like that, I would definitely check them out. I like that. So like my honey shirt that I picked out is like this too, and I love it, and I love pink, so yeah. So this next t-shirt is actually what caught my attention from Dolls Kill, which made me say yes 1,000 times yes to their collaboration. Is this t-shirt that says Black Lives, support Black Lives, it actually says. First of all, it's in like a, I forget, what is it, in living color? Like this type of style, like this textile type of font. I love that. The fact that it says support Black Lives lets me know that this company is in support of Black Lives Matter. I'm not sure like what, I'll look up like what they did during the whole Black Lives Matter movement. I'm not really sure, but just seeing this makes me feel like, you know, they care, you know what I mean? So I absolutely love that. Thank you guys so much, Dolls Kill, for even having this t-shirt for me to be able to purchase, for my, you know, audience to be able to purchase, and even for the people that aren't Black to be able to purchase and show their support for us. Yeah. And I love this royal blue color. This is like a good color on my skin. Like people always compliment me when I wear this color. So I feel like the color play that they did really works. This is, I think it's in a size large. But I'll have it down below, and I'll definitely have the link for you guys down below. But yeah, this is the shirt. It's just a regular t-shirt. I'll definitely be wearing this. Again, thank you, Dolls Kill. This, y'all are real ones for this. This is why I love you. That's why I love you. I love you. All right, guys, next figure. All right, guys, so this last thing I have for you is actually some shoes, and it's these slippers that I got from Dolls Kill. These are in a size 11 medium, and they're kind of like the UGG slippers, but with a twist. These ones are super thick and soft, like really soft. They do have the ridges on it. They have this little chain on it that says Angel. That's really cute, and they have the little strap. I'm just gonna try them on and see how they feel. Yeah, so they're very, 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 very comfortable. They are a platform, so you gotta be careful when you're walking, but this is what it looks like on my feet. I love them. They're so cute. I can't wait to wear them. They're super cute. But anyways, guys, I got black, but I believe they have other colors. I have it linked down below and you can check for yourself, but I think they had other colors. I'm pretty sure they had other colors, but I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong down below, but I'm pretty sure they have other colors. This strap is really comfortable in the back of my foot, so yeah, I really like that. All right, guys, well, that is everything. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Dolls Kill. You guys did your thing with these pieces. I can't wait to take pictures in them. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on the screen for you so you can see my pictures that I take in these pieces, because they are fire. Like, these pieces are bangers, so I'll definitely be taking pictures in them. Definitely be posting them. I'll probably post one today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Subscribe. You guys, my view count is so high, but my subscriptions aren't. Like, what is going on? Y'all aren't loyal. Please subscribe. I'm definitely going to be doing a 50K giveaway, so get me to 50K, guys. Last giveaway was for 10K, and I gave away $100. So for the 50K, who knows what I'll be giving away. So make sure you get me there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.